Hi guys, today we are ranking the best cheap mechanical keyboards under $50. You can find the links of the products featuring in this video at the description below. You're certainly getting a lot for your money with the Havit mechanical gaming keyboard and mouse combo. Not only do you get a full-fledged mechanical keyboard, you're also getting a wired gaming mouse. But unlike most budget combo deals, these products do not sacrifice quality. They even add some cool features. The RGB backlighting modes, colors, presets, and animations can be switched up between the mouse and the keyboard. There are healthy options to choose from. While the mouse is good in its own right, we will focus on the keyboard. At first glance, you'll immediately notice the clean and minimalist design with little to no branding. That's one of the appeals of this keyboard. The keycaps have double shot injection, and the font is very pleasant on the eyes. It plays really well with the RGB to deliver a good viewing experience when typing. The blue switches that Havit has used are clicky and have good feedback. You'll find great ergonomics with the overall layout and keycap shape. This is quite a comfortable keyboard to type on. The typing experience is still very satisfying, and you can expect great durability from the switches. Even the construction of the keyboard is above this price range. You're getting metal and ABS construction throughout, which will ensure minimal flexing and bending with the keyboard frame. Havit has done a good job with the build quality of this device. It's a sturdy and well-rounded keyboard. AUKEY has been a mainstay in the budget accessories market. The AUKEY LED backlit mechanical keyboard combines a robust layout and clicky blue switches for a great typing experience. They have a full 100% layout. This uses out emu blue switches for this keyboard. You'll get good durability, tactile feedback, and responsiveness with this budget alternative to the Cherry MX blue switches. However, they still produce a clacking sound that you should keep in mind. This keyboard's unique advantage is in its build quality. This thing is built like a tank. The keyboard is made with brushed metal, and features double-shot molded ABS keycaps. You can get quite a bit of rough use out of this keyboard before it starts to show wear and tear. On top of the resilience, you're getting a water-resistant design. No more will coffee splashes damage your keyboard. AUKEY has also included a robust 104-key rollover feature to ensure an accurate key press and keystroke recognition. The layout is 100% with a numpad and media keys. The RGB backlighting is not up there with the best of the best, but it's still good enough. You'll get 6 different colors to choose from, as well 9 different lighting animations. You can even customize the lighting effects and create presets that blend in well with your current system. The font is very easy to read, and the backlighting shines through brilliantly. You can easily type with this keyboard in dim light. The Redragon K552 RGB is a good mechanical gaming keyboard with clicky tactile switches, and a 10-keyless design that's simple and functional. Its impressive build quality and superb RGB lighting with individually backlit keys competes with keyboards at twice its price. Unfortunately, the keyboard is pretty bare-bones when it comes to extra features, and the clicky out emu blue switches are loud, and may not be the best choice for quiet offices. This will satisfy majority of gamers barring one or two. Overall, given its budget price, it's a good option for those looking for a basic mechanical keyboard with admirable performance. Durability is a hallmark of the Eagletec KG010. The aluminum and ABS plastic shell can take a liking, and the keys are even splash-proof, which can be a lifesaver. Gamers will love the anti-ghosting attribute, ensuring they can pull off complex key combinations on the fly. The main positives that helps this stand out over the other options on this list are the fact that it is a 104-key format, and that it comes with RGB backlit keys. This comes with blue switches, which are great options for typing and decent options for gaming as well. It's not as feature-rich as some other gaming keyboards, but it's also just about the least expensive gaming keyboard you can find on the market, and the features it does offer generally come with a substantially higher price tag. Getting a true, blue mechanical keyboard for under $50 already feels like a steal, but then you consider the metal construction, how solid it feels, and how good it looks, and it feels like you're getting away with something you shouldn't. Overall, if you're looking for a durable mechanical keyboard that has RGB lighting and a full set of 104 keys, then the Eagletec KG010 is probably your best bet. The K582 SURARA RGB is another entry from Redragon, and this one offers some unique benefits for gamers. Unlike the previous keyboard, this one features red mechanical switches. The main advantage of the red switches is their relatively quiet operation compared to the blue switches. They also require a very small actuation force to register key press. This means you'll enjoy using this keyboard if you're used to laptop-style or low-profile keys. As expected, this is great for gaming as most gamers do not like the tactile bump or feedback you get from blue switches. They prefer a relatively noise-free experience and keys that require minimal force to be pressed down. However, the K582 is also great for typing, even though you don't get that satisfying feedback. Keystrokes and key travel distance are both optimized for typing. In terms of other features, you get a full layout and metal construction with this keyboard. If you use the numpad for number crunching your spreadsheets, this is a welcome addition. The ABS metal construction is quite durable despite the bulk of the device. The keycaps have a double shot injection to ensure it doesn't fade away with repeated use. You can easily use this keyboard for a long time as the switches are rated for 50 million key presses. If you're a fan of RGB, you won't be blown away, but it certainly gets the job done. The K582 has some nice looking lighting animations that you can play around with. Thank you for watching so far, and we hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time.